It's there, guys. 82 Toyota 4-drive pickup, all rebuilt. 302 Ford. 220 horsepower. 37 MTR. Good years. That is the sickest, maddest truck on the face of the earth. It don't get no better than this. Peach Obama. Had to fix the driveway, so a friend brought the dozer over. Did a little dozing, clean up the pad. Hey everybody, it's Eric. We're up here at Tremolo Mountain. There's my 800 Skidoo right there. There's the old 700 right there. We just climbed up here, turned around there, decided we're not going to go up any higher because the visibility is really bad and there's nobody around if we need help. So anyway, it's been snowing really hard the last couple days. It's really beautiful today. We're going to go off the mountain here to the main trail and head back to Dutchman parking lot. We are in Bend, Oregon, about 6,000 feet elevation. You know you should have brought?
Oh yeah. Isn't that something? We should have gotten those wind gusts earlier. Those are way better.
Well,
Yep. We'll get there. Ugh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Good thing we got out of here when we did. All right. Here you go.